Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, June 16th, and hopefully all of you watched the third video that came out this weekend called the 30-minute breakout strategy. And hopefully you've watched all three of the videos in the series. And today is shaping up for a breakout here. So we've almost got that first half hour in play. We've got some news coming out at 10 o'clock, though. But I would still be looking to trade this market because of the volatility. I still think I'll be able to get my stops, get those small and manageable. It is almost 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's 9:58. We have 2 minutes. Market's selling off just a little bit on this red candle here. So this is the high of the first half hour, okay? And the low of the first half hour is way down here. Okay, that low is 19.23 3/4. So we would be looking to go short at 19.23 1/4. But since the low of Friday was 23 1/4, I would adjust that down to 22 3/4. So the market really would have to sell off in order for me to get short this market. Okay. Now, on the upside, the high of the first half hour so far is 19.30 3/4. So I would adjust that up to 32. Or rather 31 1/4. 31 1/4 would be the buy right above here. And as you can see, I've got this green horizontal line. This represents Friday's high. Okay, and we've already penetrated up through Friday's high earlier. Okay, and if you recall, in the second video in the series, right, The Truth About Trends, and I talk about those two powerful price patterns, the inside vertical bar. Well, Friday was an inside vertical bar on the daily E-mini chart, and we have, in fact, broken through the high. So, we're, depending on the news, the housing at 10 o'clock will dictate where this market will go, although I'm confident if we break up through 31 round, okay, and hit 31 1/4, that would be a nice buy. So I'm going to go ahead and place my order at 31 1/4 right now. All right, it's a little after 10 o'clock now, and I've got my resting orders. As you can see here on the matrix, I'm looking to buy right here at 31 1/4. Okay, you can't see that on the chart because it's above the scaling right here, but 19.31 1/4, right, for 10. And looking to get out automatically with the minimum profit target of 1 point, selling 7 of them at 19.32 1/4. Okay, and then that would leave me with 3 left. All right. So right now, quite honestly, you just sit and wait. So we've got the buy stop above the high, and we've got a sell limit even higher for that first profit target. Now, if this market starts to sell off a little bit, then I would place my sell stop. But since we're so far away from the sell entry, that I'm not even going to bother placing that order right now, okay? So I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back once we get close to getting filled here. All right, we're getting real close now. We're on the high of the day of 31 1/4. Ready to get filled here. Let's see if we can hear it. 31 1/4. 31 1/4 is where we're looking to get filled. 31 even. It's at the round number of 31. Remember in the video I talk about you never ever want to be buying or selling on a stop at rounds or halves. Okay, you see that? Order filled. We've got a sell limit at 32 1/4. All right, so we're long. And we'll change this here to 10. All right, we're rallying 31 1/2, 31 1/2, 31 3/4, 31 3/4. We're looking for 32 1/4. Look there, 32, 32 even. Come on, 32 1/4. Take us out of 7. Leave us with 3. Here we go, 32 even, 32 even. We need one more tick. Break up through that 32 round. 32 round is where we're looking for. We need to protect ourselves, so we need to go back to 10. All right, so it hit 32 round, 32 round. We're looking for 32 1/4 for our first profit target to get hit. Let's see, got to be patient here. This is where we're long right here. Here we go. Hit 32 again. Let's see if we can break through that number of 32. Got a big bar to the upside. Big bar, 32. We're right at the high of the day, 32, 31 and 3/4, 32. Let's see if we can bust it out and take us out of the 7 contracts. Leave us with 3. Okay, order filled. Look at that. We just booked 350. Let's take this back down to 3 because we've got 3 contracts left, right? So we've got to move this down to 3. Okay, we've got 3 contracts left, so we just changed the orders there. So look at it. Our cumulative profit right now is $462, or right, 425. We booked. We closed out $350 of profits, right? Our first profit target. Remember, we bought at 31 1/4, took profits at 32 1/4. We've got 3 left. Now it's a matter of where do we take the profits on the remaining portion of the position. So at this stage of the game, we've only got 3 left. So I want to wait to see where this bar closes. Since this is a pretty big bar, it's a pretty nice big bar, right? Call this an expanded range vertical bar. A safe bet would be to place this stop below this bar of 30 to go to 29 1/4. That'd be giving back 2 points on the remainder. But I'm gonna see if the market can take out this high of 32 1/4, right? The last bar is high. Then I'll bring it up even further and lock in something, or maybe even go to break even. But let's just watch this. So far, things are working out. Cumulative profit on this is $500. All right. So again, work like a charm today. The first half-hour breakout, just what you learned this weekend. Really simple rules. Okay, 32 1/4, 32 1/2. Up, look at this, 537 right now. Let's see if we can bring it up. Let's bring this up to 30. Let's go to break even. Okay, 31 1/4 is where we want long. Let's take this off right there. And right, since we're long, we would sell it back at 31 1/4. Just go to break even on the remainder. This is a good trade. Right, 31. Let's take it down to the matrix. 31 1/4 right there. Let's see. All right, see that? Right where the green horizontal line is, see STM, stop market at 3, right here, right where we entered the market. Again, I like to take off 3/4 of the position. 3/4 of the position with the first profit target, then I look to trail up the remainder. So I'm going to pause the video right now. All right, order filled. Order filled. Break even. All right, on the remaining 3. All right, so if you take a look at this, pretty classic, pretty textbook, made $350. Okay, first half-hour range right here, right? This is the high of the first half hour, low of the first half hour, and we went long right here. All right, first profit target was the 1 point. And watched the market very closely, brought that stop up to break even on the remainder, and the market took us out. Okay, so pretty simple, real-time trade. You see the matrix right here. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Post it in where the video is at, or feel free to email me, okay? So again, hope you enjoyed this. If you got any questions whatsoever, just let me know. Bye for now. Have a profitable day.